Verbs with different meanings. Run, meaning to move swiftly on foot. I run every morning to stay fit. Run, meaning to manage or be in charge of something. She runs a successful business. Run, meaning to function or operate. The machine is running smoothly. Run, meaning to flow. Tears ran down her cheeks. Set, meaning to put or place something in a particular position. She set the book on the table. Set, meaning to adjust or fix in a specific state or condition. He set the alarm for 6 a.m. Set, meaning to establish or determine. The committee set the new guidelines. Set, meaning to harden or become firm. The concrete will set in a few hours. Break, meaning to separate into pieces. He accidentally broke the vase. Break, meaning to interrupt or pause. Let's break for lunch. Break, meaning to surpass or achieve a record. She broke the world record in swimming. Break, meaning to cause emotional distress. The sad news broke her heart. Charge, meaning to ask for payment. They charged $10 for the service. Charge, meaning to accuse formally in a legal sense. He was charged with theft. Charge, meaning to energize or power up. Please charge your phone before leaving. Charge, meaning to rush forward aggressively. The bull charged at the car. Draw, meaning to produce a picture or diagram. She loves to draw landscapes. Draw, meaning to pull or drag something out. He drew the curtains to let in the light. Draw, meaning to reach a conclusion or decision. We need to draw some conclusions from this data. Alright guys, that is all. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye for now.